about to go to one of my friend's house, and then we're gonna meet up with Jason. Dude, I haven't ridden in a pretty good time. It's been like a week. It's pretty far. It's like 7 miles away. Sorry about the last ride-out video. The camera was like at 2x the whole time. Is that a vlog camera, dude? Yo, I'm outside your house.
No, you're not.
Your dogs are barking.
Oh, wait, yeah, I think you're actually here. Pull into the back with the red truck. I'll be out there in a sec.
Alright.
Fuck you beeping at me, man.
Dude, you got shorter.
No, I'm still taller than you.
It just pops up at anything. Like it just
At all, like you can. I think he went that way. Just take a right and then another right over there. Bro, why is my A? All right. Where is it?
Yes.
What do you mean yes? Where is it?
Oh, it's down here.
Oh. Good. Kind of far. Can I see that?
I'll send it to you.
Alright. You want to trade bikes? Like,
We can.
alright.
If you're gonna wheelie it, be careful because the brakes are like, I mean they're good.
You want to feel mine? Especially the rear.
Oh yeah, that one's not bad.
It's cooked.
No, it's not bad.
It's not bad?
Feel mine.
That's dial, dude. That's perfect.
Bro, no hands is so scary, bro.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. We're like in riding distance with each other, you know?
Yeah, I know.
There's like nobody that rides around here. How do you do that? That's so like hard. Bro, what?
Oh no. No. I'm not that. Oh my goodness. They can just fall.
You know who that is?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. There he is.
He's coming?
Yeah. Oh my.
You want to swap it right here?
I'm on kickstand.
Huh?
I'm on kickstand.
Oh.
Bro, this
Dude,
is
no
so
front
different.
brake is crazy.
Actually, it's actually so different. It's ridiculous.
Dude.
This is genuinely ridiculous. Like, it's such a big difference. I feel like this is bigger and more comfortable, but I just feel like more comfortable on that. I don't know. Where did he just go?
I don't know. Wait, why does it go in reverse?
Oh wait, I'm not ready. Huh?
Why does it go in reverse first?
No, because you have to give it a little push.
Uh,
I never figured out really why, but.
it's so weird.
It genuinely feels so weird.
I know.
The fender is like huge.
For me, it feels like it tilts a lot, like, cause like the sumos. I haven't ridden on like a sumo, like especially these type of tires. Dude.
I miss having a horn.
Oh, that's your park? Wait.
Horns are like so fun. Dude, I almost got hit.
Oh, you don't have a horn?
There was no. I got hit. It's supposed to be an air right there. There's this lady, so it was like she was coming this way. She had a stop sign. I didn't have a stop sign. Bro, she almost hit me, bro.
Oh, over here?
It was like right over there.
Oh, you came from that way?
Yeah, your brakes are so loud. Like, look, this is how they're supposed to be. Like, they don't pull in. If you pull mine will come all the way in.
Oh.
My rotor.
Oh yeah.
My rotor is small.
That's what you meant by
Yeah. That's why they're not like dialed.
Oh, you're parking? Oh yeah, it does work.
But that's.
Dude, foot brake is so nice. Wait, can you use it as a foot lock?
I mean, you could, but
It's not.
like it's. I don't know. I don't like.
It's
it.
not preferred.
But it can fold in as well. Like whenever you crash and stuff.
Yo. So low to the ground. How do you do that? Bro, I can't do that on my own bike.
Your brakes are so good.
Bro,
They are.
I feel like they're horrible.
No, they are insane compared to mine. I'm gonna try and combo.
Huh?
Put your spikes for mine.
Alright, yeah, I will. Oh, dude, that's scary. Yo, I'm gonna try to knee knocker this.
Can I combo on this road whenever we're going back?
Yeah, sure.
Dude, it felt good, but it's so like
Bouncy?
compared to mine.
Dude, but dude, this bike's so nice. So light too. You can turn a lot. Mine has like
I know, no
blockers. Uh-huh.
One thing is, you cannot see when you're in a wheelie.
I know, right? This, like, I got used to it now, but before it was like
you get used to it, but
scary. It's
not really
because the
scary.
headlight.
Bro,
and
it's
everything.
so huge up here.
I looked to the side.
Do you think, dude, you need to get a whenever you
Plate?
get like a VTV, you need to get the KTM setup thing.
Oh yeah, how they?
With the Baja mount.
Yeah.
I think that's clean.
I-
Hey, you gotta prop it up. I don't have a kickstand.
Yeah, that's fine. You want to take clips? Or when we come back after? Dude, I don't trust leaning it. I'm going to put mine on a kickstand. We'll take clips when we come back. Thank you.
I feel like I thought I never used my kickstand at all. I
Actually?
didn't like it. Yeah, that's looking good. I don't know why. Make a hole in mine.
In your bike?
Yeah.
What do you mean a
I
hole?
think there's a hole in mine. Feel that, look.
In your brake? Oh, damn. Does your rear brake work?
I mean, this one does. There's definitely a hole in it or something. Because, yeah, it's leaking. I don't know where from.
Dude, I thought you just took out the whole entire cable.
I don't know, that's weird.
Is yours belt?
Yeah.
And we'll catch up with you.
I'm gonna say, if you don't drink it physically, that's my fault. I'm writing.
No, that's fine. Just from the handbrake?
This one's handbrake.
Uh-huh. The rear brake is fine?
They're both rear brake.
I mean, my bad, the foot brake?
Yeah. It's so weird.
Yo, that's the biggest coaster I've ever done. That was fun. My brakes are like so... Is it good? Or...
I don't know. It's definitely cut. Cause look. So, this is crazy. Like, why does something happen whenever we start riding?
Alright.
Do you know that's not the best part?
Wait.
I'm gonna do something for you. You better pay me. Hey, this is a belly button here.
Alright, let's go. I'm gonna go on the street and then...
Hold on, let this song play out. It's only 20 seconds.
Alright, bye. Huh? Yeah.
I'm about to buy one. Can I find out what it is? What the model is?
Surron Ultra B.
I want to buy one today.
Today?
Yeah. Hey, thank you so much, man.
Of course.
Yes, sir. Wait, let me see how fast. Let's see how fast it goes. How many miles per charge?
Maybe like 50, 40,
How long will it take to charge it up?
3 hours.